Hello to anyone who's watching. This is a demonstration of the AI article generator app. The reason I'm doing this as a video is because this app is running in the AWS cloud, and in order to minimize cloud costs, I'm trying not to keep EC2 instances running indefinitely. So yeah, rather doing this as a video instead. Okay, so how does this work? What does it look like? So we've got an EC2 instance that is running a Django app. The Django app that does multiple things, but one of the things that it does is it uses a library called PyTube, which is a Python library, and it uses that library to pass calls to YouTube. And what we're using PyTube for in this particular instance is to get descriptive information about the video, for example the title, but we're also using it to pull an MP3 file from the video itself, because we just need the audio in order to do this. So yeah, PyTube does that for us. We then take that MP3 file, pass it over to Assembly AI, which has quite a few different tools, but one of the tools that we're using is the transcription tool. So what it does is it takes an audio file and generates a transcription based on the audio file itself, and then it pushes that back to us. Once we have that transcription, we now have something to pass to OpenAI or ChatGPT, and yeah, we pass that transcription to and ask ChatGPT to use that transcription and actually give us a article written by using that transcription, and then ChatGPT feeds that back to us. So this EC2 instance itself is connected to a PostgreSQL database that's also sitting on AWS. It's an RDS database, and the reason we're using that database is for twofold. It's for storing our users, so if we get guys signing up, their info will get stored in that database. And also the main reason for storing users is so that we can store blog posts. So if they generate multiple different articles from multiple different videos, then all of that gets saved, and the user can then look at previously generated blog posts and then still have access to those articles. Okay, so let's look at how it looks practically. So just gonna go over to my EC2. The app itself is not started. I'm just gonna start it up quickly. So this is the instance. I'm just gonna connect to it. Okay, and I'm just going to connect. I'll navigate to the application folder itself. Okay, so we are in the application folder. This is where the manage.py lives. So we're going to start the server. And we're going to start the server on port 8000. So we're using the local, we're leaving these as all zeros because we wanted to use the IP address that's assigned to the EC2 instance, and we want to start it on port. Oh, sorry. I used the wrong command there. And to use run server. Okay, should start it up. Okay, our server is actually started up now. So what we can do is, if I take the public IP address, I'm just going to open that up, and it fails immediately. But the reason for that is I need to make this HTTP, and I need to call it on the correct port, which is 8000. Okay, so this is the application itself. If we go to sign up, we're just going to create a user so that we can test this out. Okay, so we've signed up, and yeah, we presented with this page. So what we can do here is just paste in the YouTube link and hit generate, and it should generate an article for us. So I'm going to use this video here, which is 5 design patterns that are actually used by developers, and I'm going to ask OpenAI to generate an article based on that for me. So this is the generate button. So it'll take about a minute or so because it's doing multiple different things. First, it's passing a call through PyTube to get the MP3 of the video itself, and then it's going to pass that to OpenAI, not OpenAI, to Assembly AI to get the transcription, and only once it has the transcription, it passes the transcription to OpenAI to actually get the article generated. Okay, and it seems to be done. So you'll see that this is the article that the AI generated for us based on the video transcript that we provided. And yeah, then there's the save blog post button. If you have to click on that, all the blog posts that you generate will be saved on here. Yeah, so this is where all the, if you open it, you'll have access to the actual blog post as well as the YouTube link.